Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax, the Dallas Yacht Center. I'm on another Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is a new one we just got in, a beautiful black hull boat with a gray sea deck in it, stone interior, so it's light colors, which is what I like on the inside, so it stays warm. But this is where we hang out in Texas, on the back of the boat. I got a hydraulic swim step there, massive amount of seating and sun lounges in here, huge storage compartments you can throw paddle boards up in there, a fold down terrace, a lot of shade. Let's walk through the boat and I'll show you why they call this thing the entertainer, because you're going to bring 10-15 people out in the boat during the day. The fun is outside. Everybody wants to be right here. So when everybody's out on the water, you've had too much sun, look how much shade we have on this boat. It's incredible. Opening sunroof, you can open up and see the stars at night if you want. But look at all the seating here. Tons of seating. Everybody can see each other wrapped around. They're not in the way. Massive table that folds in half if you want to eat. If not folded in half, it's easier getting in and out around the seats. And people get hungry. So we ordered this one with the dual Kenya electric grills. You got two of them on here. So maybe you got veggies on one and burger steaks on the other. Two refrigerators in the cockpit with freezer trays, trash cans out here, everything you need to keep everybody out here where the fun is. Great seating, awesome helm. This one's got the Merc Cruisers with the joystick on it again, so anybody's driving this boat. You know, I kind of call this a 40-foot ski boat, which it really is, a SLX. It's a deep V, it's a smooth riding boat. It's not like a big cruiser. It does have a cabin down below we'll take a look at, but you're going to drive this thing around the docks with two fingers with the joystick. You got sky hook, you got auto heading, really easy for you as a captain to make it smooth and easy to drive the boat. Auto trim tabs on it. It even has auto trim for the drive, so you just push the throttles and go. Great maps, control the lights, zone light, or it has different colors for all the lights. Really nice. You can set it up to set the mood however you want to be. You know, the Fusion stereo system we all know and love to control the zones. So if there's a big group of people, have it loud in one area, quiet in the other. I love that about it. This one also has the forward sunshade that can go up over the bow. So again, if you want 40 feet of shade on your 40-foot boat, this one has it as an option. Let's walk up to the bow. What I like about this, there's not one step from the swim platform all the way to the bow, so nobody's tripping. And to get up to the bow of the boat, you're walking, you're still inside the boat. And let's face it, you know, this is a ski boat, it's a fast boat, it's not a big heavy yacht, so you can get up and go and trim it up with the drives on it. And if people want the wind in their face, you know, because they come out to the lake to get that, they're going to sit right up here. You got armrest, stereo control, table goes there, more seating, leather wrapped stainless steel handrails, really nice finishes on it. This is a fun place to be when you're cruising across the lake and they want wind in their hair. But if somebody gets too hot, let's go downstairs, look at the cabin. Nice size cabin with a generator, air conditioner, so everything somebody needs to cool off if they've had, you know, too much heat, or if you want to spend the night and overnight. Down in the cabin of the 400 SLX, you see there's a mid-berth back there. It's huge and wide, the full beam of the boat, a TV back there, privacy curtain. I'm sitting up here, you know, kind of in the bow. Here's the bow seating right there. But a lot of seating down here, air conditioner, a high-low table. You can drop that down, filler cushions. This can become another bed, so you can sleep 4 on the boat. Great design for this style of a 40-foot SLX to have a cabin this size down below in a ski boat. So we got a TV down here. Somebody come down here and watch TV and cool off. There's a refrigerator down here, so you can get some drinks in the evening, so you're not going back upstairs to the two refrigerators outside. You can stay down here, a microwave, and ton of storage. So for a 40-foot runabout boat to have this size cabin, it's really nice. Even has this really nicely finished out head, wood head. I mean, tile floors, vessel sink, big windows, again, big windows on the side, so when you do get down here, overhead light, you don't feel like you're down in a hole in the cave. They really did a great job with this boat. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. If you want to see this Sea Ray or any of the other ones, please give me a call at 214-244-5535. Thank you.